Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel World of Software Testing. So in our previous lecture we have covered the black box testing techniques types, that is the boundary value analysis, equivalence class partitioning, state transition technique and the decision based table testing. So in this lecture we will cover the last black box testing technique, that is the error guessing testing technique. So what are the black box testing technique? The black box testing techniques also can be termed as a test design technique, test data design technique, or the test case design technique. So it's basically useful to design the better test cases and reduce the number of test cases to be executed. The main goal of test design technique is to reduce the data which is going to be used for the testing, and increase the test coverage. The data, that is the test data which we have prepared, with that we should be able to cover all the scenarios of the testing. And the test case design techniques helps to design better test cases and reduce the number of test cases to be executed. So these are the main goals of test design techniques. So these are the types of black box testing techniques. First one is boundary value analysis, equivalence class partitioning, state transition testing, decision table testing, which we have already covered in our previous lecture. If you have not watched our videos, please do watch all of them, so that it will be easy for you to understand all the black box testing technique. The last testing technique is a error guessing testing technique, which we are going to see in this lecture. So what is error guessing testing technique? The error guessing is a type of testing method in which the prior experience in testing is used to uncover the defects in the software. So it is an experience based testing technique in which the tester uses his or her past experience or intuition to gauge the problematic areas of the software application. So this technique is helpful in finding bugs which are not easily detected during the formal testing methods. But there is no any standard method to carry out the error guessing testing technique, as we follow in our first four design techniques. Error guessing is one of the testing technique used to find the bugs in the software application based on the tester's prior experience. In error guessing, we don't follow any specific rules or any standard. It depends on the tester's analytical skill and experience. So some of the factors that can be caused to guess the errors are the tester's intuition, which must be important to have a tester's intuition while doing the error guessing. Then lessons learned from the past releases, which are very important to carry out this. The historical learning, then previous defects, the production tickets, review checklist, application UI, previous test results, risk reports of the application, variety of data used for testing, general testing rules, and knowledge of application under test. So these are some of the factors which plays a very important role while doing the error guessing testing technique, and to compare the results with the previous data. So these are some of the examples how we can perform the error guessing testing technique. So let's say we can try submitting the form without entering values, leaving blank spaces in the text field, divide by zero. So if you try to divide by zero, it should throw error. Entering invalid values such as alphabets in the numeric field. So trying to upload a file exceeding the maximum prescribed limits. So these are some of the examples. So if for example, if you consider divide by zero, so everyone should be aware, they should have knowledge about this expression divide by zero. So if you are going to divide a number by zero, it should get infinite value. So in such cases, the experience counts while doing such error guessings in testing. So this technique doesn't guarantee that software has passed a quality benchmark. This method should be combined with other techniques to give the better results, because we are just guessing with our knowledge and understanding. So definitely this is not the one which guarantee you that the software will be bug free. but plays a very helpful role while doing the testing and find out the coverage. Let's see some of the advantages of error guessing testing technique. The benefits of error guessing testing are such as it is good. It is a good approach to find the challenging parts of the software. So let's say with your prior experience, you can simply guess whatever the challenging parts can be for the software, which can be the area or the functionality that can cause a lot of issues. So we can find out such with the help of error guessing. It is beneficial when we'll use this technique with the grouping of other formal testing techniques. It is used to enhance the formal test design techniques, and with the help of this technique we can disclose those bugs which were probably identified over extensive testing. Therefore the test engineer can save a lot of time and effort. Let's see some of the disadvantages of error guessing testing technique. The error guessing testing technique is a person oriented rather than a process oriented, because it depends on the person's thinking. So person's thinking and his experience. So if we use this technique, we may not achieve the minimum test coverage. So this is a drawback of error guessing testing. With the help of this, we may not cover all the inputs or the boundary values. With this, we cannot give surety of a product quality, and the error guessing testing technique can be done by those people who have product knowledge. It cannot be done by those who are new to the product. So definitely the main base for the error guessing is to have an experienced person who can do this kind of testing technique. So thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe our YouTube channel for such more interesting videos on software testing concepts. Also click on the bell icon to get the latest updates on our YouTube channel whenever we upload the new videos. In upcoming lectures, we'll dig further into the software testing concepts. Thanks for watching.